Let's learn how to pronounce the T and D consonants in American English. When the T or D consonants come between vowels and the second vowel is unstressed, the T or D pronunciations change to a flap. A flap is a sound made with the tip of the tongue as it quickly flaps against the alveolar ridge. The tongue is flat and wide, and the sides of the tongue push against the inside of the upper molars. You don't stop the airflow. Instead, think of a flap as shaping the airflow as it exits the mouth. Hara, 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 hara. The flap occurs in words like wider and pedal and pedal. Both the T and the D become the flap in these words. The flap T and the flap D sound exactly the same.